ng panibawang video na pinangalanan na Puppy Playtime. At tara, mag-umpisa na tayo. Skip play pare. Kaya naisipan ko ito laruin is kasi madami yung nakikita sa YouTube boy. And naingit ako. So, let's play. Okay. Whoa.
You are about to see the most incredible doll ever invented. Her name is Poppy, and she is the first truly intelligent doll in the world.
Poppy.
A little
Poppy
girl can talk to her.
Playtime. Yun ba yung, yun ba
Poppy
yung
gives
red
her
na book na
answers.
doll?
She is the first doll actually able to have a conversation with a child. Hard to believe?
Yes.
Just watch.
What's the time? It's playtime.
Hi, my name is Poppy. I love you. Can you help me polish my shoes?
Why, of course, Poppy. Just like a real girl, Poppy always wants to look her best.
Perfect. Thank you.
Her hair
Whoa.
is sturdy and won't come out when you brush it, and smells just like a poppy flower.
Poppy
Is
flower.
there anything else you'd like to say, Poppy?
I'm a real girl.
No, you're not.
Just like you.
Hindi ako babae,
What's the
boy.
time?
Ba't ako naging babae?
Playtime!
Playtime.
And
Okay,
if you've ever
skip na
wanted to
natin
see
to.
how all of the nation's favorite
May loading, guys. Alright, so we're here. Okay, so ship to run and let's play this, I guess. Skip
Hi,
natin yan.
my name is-
Ganun yun, boy. Okay, let's go in here. Open doors. Green, pink, yellow, red. So, yung ibang video dito, guys, napanood ko na. So, yung iba, medyo alam ko na, pero yung iba, hindi pa. So, don't judge me, guys, ha. Red, pink, yellow, red, okay. Ito na yung this. Okay, let's put it there. Skip na natin yan kasi gusto ko lang makuha yung ano. Yay! Meron na tayo, boy! Alright, ito na. Okay. Boom. Okay. Open this. Okay, let's go. Oh, yan na si Agiwagi. Ayan na. Wow. Ano yan? Ayun na. Okay. Wow. Ang galing nito umilos ah. Diyan ka lang loko. Lang, tayo mo kami dyan. So dito banda, medyo di ko na alam. Okay, what's that sound? Okay. Buti na hindi tayo nakakuryente dun, no? Ito na. Wow. Okay, wala na siya. Baka ito yung time na habulin na tayo dito, guys. Kasi napanood ko ata, habulin tayo sa ano? What the hell was that? Si Agiwagi ba yun? Open this. Wow. Okay, so madami nang gugulat dito. Open this, bro. Open this. Okay, andito na tayo. Let's take this toy. Okay. So, anong hanapin natin? Ito. Tapos ito. So, hanapin natin yun? Lahat yun? Okay. Okay na. Tatlo na tayo nahanap ko eh. Okay, tatlo nga. So, hanapin na natin isa. Ito kanyan yung matagal ata eh. Ito yung matagal. Hindi natin mahanap isa. Okay, try natin dito. Yan, dyan. Wala din ata. Wala. Ano? Matatagalan tayo dito nyan. Okay, let's open this door. Malay mo lang talaga dito. Okay. Wala. Fuck the shimay, par. Nasaan? Okay. Wala din dito. Okay guys, nakuha din natin yung red. Ang tagal nun. At naglalag bigla, di ko alam bakit. Is it because napatay ko kanina yung like yung pan niya, so uminit siya. And yes, hindi ko na ulit kanina lang. And mainit pa rin siya, so medyo naglalag. Easy na lang muna natin kasi mawala na talaga na. Okay, anong gagawin na nila? Okay, wait lang. Okay. Ano to? What the heck? Okay guys, ano next? Ito. Okay. Boom! Whoa, 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 whoa. Drop to complete the circuit. Okay, okay. Whee! Whoa, whoa. Gulot ako, walang yaka. Okay. Kinakabahan ako, di ko na bakit. Oh! Ang sila mo. Ito ko nagugulat. Okay. Huh? Power up. So lagyan natin power. Alam ko Tito Panday eh. Oh, careful bro. Pwede tayo malaglag dyan. Paano yan tayo sa... para makadaan tayo. Okay. They did it, bro. Ay, dito pala. Uy! Parkour. Okay, we need it, bro. Oh. So, pwede na ba? Let's put this down. Hindi tayo kasha. Hindi tayo kasha, boy. Let's wait. Dili ma. Notion, do not enter. Okay. Ginawa nun. Hindi, kinulay niya. Ito. Ano to? Ito. Nangkukulay yan. Ito naman. Ito nandidikit ko to. Wala akong nandidikit to kasi may usok eh. Ano? Whoa. Chill, bro. Dikit nga. So, ano ginagawa nito? Ano niya ba? Wow. Sirain yata. Hindi. Ito, pang-scan. Look at the size, bro. Taas pa lang ito. Hindi. Bawal lang pala sa akin. The finished product, bro. Come here, little baby. Come to daddy. Okay. Lagay natin dito. And, ano next? Okay. Ooh. Okay, bawal. Oh, wow. Tutang ka na mo. Sniper. Shit, what the fuck, bro? What the fuck is that? Okay. Shit, bro. Okay. So, hinahabol niya tayo. Like, fuck. So, okay. What the fuck? What the fuck? Buksan mo to, boy. Buksan mo yan. Ang dami mga signs. Bro, tumakbo ka. Ba't tayo tumakbo? Saan tayo pupunta? Saan tayo pupunta? Yun. Putangin na mo! Okay, nangangalgal ako. What the fuck? What the fuck, bro? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck, bro? Kita mo, boy, may dugo. May dugo para si Agiwagi. Ayun na, ayun na yung flower. May dugo si Agiwagi, bro. Oh. Oh. Kaya ano next gagawin? The fuck, bro? The fuck was that? Whoa. Okay, saan tayo punta? Oh. Okay. Oy, boy, kulay red. I don't think na pupunta tayo dito. Okay. Ang kailangan natin gawin dito? Should we off in it? Hindi mo na tayo. Wow. Takbo mo, takbo. Yes, I did. Oh. So, kailangan talaga natin buksan yun. Wow. What the hell, bro? Shit. Boy, nakakalgal ako, oy. Hindi ko inakala na maabot tayo dun. Kaya pala tight squeeze kasi pumasok siya dun sa tight space. Okay. Okay guys, if you enjoy watching, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye bye guys! Okay, skip na natin to. Okay, tapos na. Bukas naman ang chapter 2. Let's go, boy! Bye bye guys! Leave a like and subscribe. Bye bye!